Welcome back, folks, to the last discussion on angles and polygons. Again, remember to subscribe and like and share these clips so that you can grow the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the last section, which is extra work. The first problem there, we are required to calculate the interior angle of a regular hexagon. So interior, that's inside. Now, formula says we need n, and because it's hexagon, so it's 6 minus 2 over 6 multiplied by 180 degrees. But when I simplify it, it looks like I get it 30, and the difference there gives me a 4. So I end up with 4 times 30 there. So it's 120 degrees. So each interior angle of a regular hexagon is 120 degrees in size. Find the exterior angle of a regular pentagon. Well, all exterior angles, they are adding up to 360 degrees. It's a pentagon, that's 5. And when I say 5 into 35, looks like it gives me a 7 there. And remainder one, that will be 72 degrees. So it means each one is 72 degrees in size. A polygon is an exterior angle of 45 degrees. How many sides does it have? Well, it's 360 degrees, and we're talking of an exterior angle. So if we divide by 45 degrees, it tells us the sides. So let's check what we'll get there. 9 into 64, it looks like it's 8 sides, I think. Let's try and do a proper simplification. If I divide here by 5, it gives me, oh, can I try 5? No, let me try 9. 9 into 36 is 4, like that. And then 9 into 45 is 5. So I think 40 divided by 5 gives us 8, like we had before. Find the interior angle of a polygon with 9 equal sides. Well, 9. So from our formula again, it's going to be 9 minus 2 all over 9 multiplied by 180 degrees. And when we simplify, it looks like here we get 20 degrees. But on the numerator there we get 7. And when we multiply 7 by 20, it looks like it gives us 140 degrees. Still moving, if the interior angle is 150 degrees, find the exterior angle. Well, what we know is interior and exterior, they are supplemented. In other words, they add up to 180 degrees. But I'm solving for x, it means I have to transpose 150. And if it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative like that. So our x actually is going to be 30 degrees, which is our exterior angle. Still moving to the next problem, number 6, state the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. We said this one is a constant, it's always 360 degrees. Calculate the number of sides in each exterior angle if each exterior angle is 24 degrees. So in other words, we are saying we're interested in number of sides, but we have got this exterior angle is 24 degrees. Think here we might be interested in using step-by-step factorization. If I bring 6 there on the numerator, I'll get 60, and on the denominator is 4. So if I divide 60 by 4, it looks like this gives me 15 sides. So these are the number of sides that we'll find in a shape whose exterior angle is 24 degrees. Draw a regular pentagon and label one interior and one exterior angle. Well, regular pentagon. Well, pentagon, we said it's 5. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And unshaded, that's my interior, and the shaded, let me call it my exterior. I think basically that's what we have for that pentagon. Explain why the sum of exterior angle is always 360 degrees. Because it is a complete revolution from outside the shape. Right. Then number 10, describe one real life object that is a polygon. Well, can be a ruler that we use to measure. I mean, it's a quadrilateral because it's made up of 4 sides. We talk of a surface of a cube, we know that they are squares. Then what we need to focus on in our level is correct formula use, clear angle reasoning, accurate calculations, proper mathematical language. I think basically that's it for Form 2 angles and polygon. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to keep on receiving updates when new recordings are done. Bye for now.